10 faceless niches that pay you forever isn't just a title, it's a promise. These videos don't expire, they compound. Trend-chasing channels burn out chasing headlines. These niches still get watched, clicked, and paid 5, even 10 years from now. Trending content dies in days. Evergreen content keeps working while you sleep. You're about to walk through 10 niches built for lasting income, and number 1 ties them all together. Let's get into it. Number 10, food, cooking, and recipes. Everyone eats, every single day, forever. That one fact makes food and cooking one of the most bulletproof niches you can build a faceless channel around. Because the demand for "what should I cook tonight" never runs out, it just changes shape. You don't need to show your face, and you don't even need to be a trained chef. What you need is a clear angle. Maybe you focus on 5-ingredient dinners for people who hate cooking. Maybe you specialize in one specific cuisine, Thai street food, Southern Italian, West African stews, and become the go-to channel for that exact flavor profile. Maybe you build a channel entirely around budget meals under $5, or 10-minute lunches for people working from home. Nostalgia works too. Comfort food videos built around the meals your grandmother used to make. Tap into an emotional pull that keeps people watching to the end. The monetization stack here is deep. Ad revenue on recipe content tends to be reliable because search intent is so strong. People don't just stumble onto a lasagna video, they're actively looking for it. On top of that, you've got affiliate income from kitchen tools, knives, air fryers, and cookware. You can package your best recipes into a digital cookbook and sell it directly to your audience. And once you build an audience, food and kitchenware brands start reaching out for sponsorships on their own. Here's the proof this isn't hype. Recipe videos are some of the most consistently searched content on the entire platform, year-round, with spikes around holidays that repeat like clockwork every single year, which means your best performing video this November could outperform itself again next November, with zero extra work. But as strong as food is, it's not even the most search-friendly niche on this list. The next one taps into an audience that Googles the exact same questions every spring, every summer, and every single year after that. Number 9, gardening. People have been growing their own food for thousands of years, and that instinct isn't fading. It's actually coming back stronger. Gardening content taps into something deeply timeless. The desire to grow something with your own hands, whether that's a full backyard vegetable plot or a single basil plant on an apartment windowsill. This niche rewards specificity. Beginner gardening content, how to start your first garden with zero experience, pulls in a constant stream of new viewers every year because there's always a fresh batch of people deciding to try it for the first time. Small space and apartment gardening is exploding as more people live in cities but still want that connection to growing their own food. Seasonal planting guides work like clockwork. Your What to Plant in March video will get discovered by new viewers every single March indefinitely. And plant care troubleshooting, yellowing leaves, pest problems, why your tomatoes won't ripen, solves real urgent problems the moment they happen. Monetization comes from affiliate links to seeds, tools, raised garden beds, and grow lights, alongside digital planting guides and zone-specific calendars you can sell directly. And here's the real advantage. Gardening content thrives on search traffic, not just algorithm luck. People type "how to grow tomatoes" into Google and YouTube every year forever, which means a well-made gardening video can quietly earn for years without you touching it again. Unlike a lot of niches that depend on being pushed by an algorithm, gardening content gets pulled toward viewers by their own search bar, which is a far more stable, far more predictable source of long-term traffic. That kind of set it and forget it search traffic is powerful, but it gets even more powerful when your audience isn't just searching once a year. The next niche on this list has an audience that renews itself daily because a completely new group of people enters it every single day of the year. Number 8, parenting and family life. Somewhere in the world, a new parent is being made right now, and that's been true every single day since the beginning of human history. That's what makes parenting content one of the most self-renewing niches you can build a channel around. Your audience doesn't shrink over time, it constantly refills itself. New parents are searching for answers to questions they've never had to ask before. What's normal for a newborn's sleep schedule? How to survive the first 6 weeks when solid foods should start? Toddler content covers tantrums, potty training, and daily routines that actually work. Discipline strategy videos help parents navigate discipline without guilt or yelling. Family activity content gives overwhelmed parents ready-made ideas for weekends and rainy days. And milestone guides? What to expect at 3 months, 6 months, 1 year? Get searched by parents in that exact stage, forever on repeat, generation after generation. What makes this audience especially valuable is how engaged they are. Parents aren't casually browsing. They're often exhausted and actively looking for reassurance and answers, which means they watch longer, come back more often, and binge entire playlists in a single sitting, trying to solve a problem right now. Monetization monetization runs through ad revenue on high engagement watch time, digital guides and mini courses on specific stages like sleep training or starting solids, and affiliate income from baby products, gear, and books. Because so many of these questions come up at odd hours. A crying baby at 2 a.m., a toddler meltdown right before dinner, parents are searching in real time, which means your videos aren't just watched, they're relied on. If you thought a self-renewing audience was powerful, wait until you see a niche where the content practically writes itself out of universal human experience. Because up next is something every single viewer, regardless of age, is currently living through in some form. Number 7, relationships and dating. No matter what generation you're in, you're either looking for love, working on a relationship, or healing from one. And that emotional reality never expires. Relationships and dating content taps into something every single viewer can relate to on a personal level, which is exactly why it performs so well. Dating advice videos, how to text back without seeming desperate, what to say on a first date, how to know if someone's actually interested, and pull in viewers at every stage of the dating process. Communication tips help couples navigate conflict without blowing things up. Red flag, green flag content has become massively popular because it's specific, list-based, and endlessly shareable. Relationship psychology content explains why people act the way they do in love, which blends beautifully into deeper topics. And breakup recovery content reaches people in one of their most emotionally searching moments when they're actively looking for guidance. This niche has a built-in algorithm advantage. Relationship content generates enormous comment engagement because everyone has an opinion, a personal story, or a disagreement they want to share. That engagement signals to the platform that your content is worth pushing further, which compounds your reach over time. Monetization comes from ad revenue boosted by strong watch time and engagement, coaching or consulting upsells for viewers who want personalized help, digital guides on specific topics like texting or attachment styles, and affiliate income from relationship books and dating apps. Because so many viewers see themselves in these stories, this niche also travels well across formats. The same core idea can become a video, a short, and a caption people screenshot and send to a friend. And relationships don't exist in a vacuum. They're deeply tied to how people think, why they behave the way they do, and what's actually happening inside their heads, which conveniently leads into a niche that explains the why behind almost everything on this list so far. Number 6, psychology and human behavior. Human nature hasn't updated in thousands of years, and that's exactly why this niche never goes stale. A psychology video explaining why people lie, why we procrastinate, or why we fall for manipulation tactics is just as true and just as valuable today as it will be a decade from now. Because you're not covering trends, you're covering wiring, cognitive bias content, confirmation bias, the sunk cost fallacy, why we overvalue our own opinions gives viewers that satisfying, oh, that explains so much moment. Body language breakdowns let people decode what others are really thinking, which has obvious appeal in dating, business, and everyday life. Persuasion and influence content teaches viewers how marketing, sales, and manipulation actually work, so they can use it or defend against it. Mental models simplify complex thinking into frameworks people can apply immediately. And why people do X-explainer videos, why we self-sabotage, why we people please, why we crave validation, hit on universal experiences that almost everyone secretly wonders about themselves. Monetization includes solid ad revenue from high watch-through rates, since psychology content tends to be genuinely binge-worthy, along with book and course sales, and affiliate income from popular psychology titles your audience is already primed to want. It also holds up remarkably well over time. A well-explained concept like loss aversion or the halo effect doesn't need an update in a year or two the way a piece of news-based content would, so it just keeps earning long after you've moved on to your next video. What makes this niche especially smart is how naturally it overlaps with self-improvement. Once someone understands why they behave a certain way, the very next question they ask is how to change it, which means the audience you build here doesn't just stay, it flows directly into a niche where explanation turns into transformation. Number 5, self-improvement. Nobody wakes up one day and decides they're done growing. The desire to become more disciplined, more confident, and more capable is one of the most consistent human drives that exists, and it's exactly why self-improvement content never runs out of demand. Habit-building content, how to actually stick to a habit instead of quitting after 2 weeks, solves a problem nearly every single person has struggled with. Productivity systems give viewers frameworks for managing time, tasks, and focus in a world full of distractions. Mindset content reframes how people think about failure, fear, and setbacks, which keeps them coming back for that mental reset. Morning routine videos are almost endlessly repeatable since there's always a new angle. The 5 a.m. routine, the no phone morning, the routine for people who aren't morning people at all. And discipline-focused content taps into that hunger people have to finally follow through on the version of themselves they want to become. The search demand here is enormous and consistently growing. How to be more disciplined, how to stop procrastinating, and how to build better habits are searched relentlessly, year after year, by a completely new wave of people every time January rolls around. Monetization includes ad revenue, digital products like habit trackers and guided journals, coaching for viewers who want direct accountability, and affiliate income from productivity tools, planners, and apps. Because this audience is actively trying to change their life, they tend to be some of the most loyal, most willing to pay viewers on the platform, which makes them incredibly valuable once you've earned their trust. Now, here's where things start to shift. Self-improvement builds the mindset, but mindset alone doesn't pay the bills. The next niche takes that same hunger for growth and points it towards something with even stronger earning potential, turning personal development into actual structured knowledge people are willing to pay for. Number 4, education. Learning never stops. Not in school, not after school, not ever. As long as there are exams to pass, skills to learn, and curiosity to satisfy, education content will have an audience, and that audience refreshes itself every single semester without you lifting a finger. Exam prep content is a goldmine because it's searched with real urgency. Students don't casually browse for help before a test. They need it right now. Explainer and how it works content breaks down complicated topics simply, which has universal appeal far beyond students. Language learning content taps into one of the largest self-improvement categories on the internet, with millions of people trying to pick up a new language every year. Tutoring-style videos walking through specific subjects, from algebra to chemistry, give viewers the one-on-one clarity a classroom often can't. And study technique content, how to actually retain information instead of just rereading it, gets searched constantly by students desperate for a better system. The financial upside here is stronger than people expect. Education content tends to attract solid ad rates because advertisers know this audience is actively trying to invest in themselves. On top of that, digital courses sell exceptionally well in this space. Affiliate income flows from learning tools and apps, and edtech companies actively seek out education creators for sponsorships. Even a single well-made explainer on a topic students always struggle with, like solving quadratic equations or understanding cellular respiration, it can quietly rack up views for years simply because that exact topic will be taught again next year and the year after that. And here's the real advantage. How to study for finals gets searched every single semester forever by a brand new group of students who've never seen your video before, meaning your work compounds instead of disappearing. From here forward, the list shifts gears. The next 3 niches aren't just about steady evergreen views anymore. They're where creators stop building channels and start building real, lasting wealth. Number 3, health and fitness. Every January, millions of people make the exact same promise to themselves. Get healthier, get stronger, finally stick with it. And that new year, new me cycle repeats like clockwork, forever, making health and fitness one of the most dependable evergreen niches that exists. Workout routine content covers everything from beginner home workouts to advanced training splits, and there's always a new subgroup discovering it for the first time. Nutrition myth-busting content performs incredibly well because people are constantly confused by conflicting advice, and a clear, confident answer earns trust fast. Weight loss and muscle gain guides address 2 of the most consistently searched goals on the entire internet, spanning every age group and fitness level. Mobility and recovery content is growing fast as more people realize training smart matters as much as training hard. And beginner fitness plans remove the intimidation factor, giving nervous newcomers a simple starting point instead of an overwhelming wall of information. The monetization ceiling here is high. Ad revenue tends to run strong because fitness attracts premium advertisers and affiliate income from supplements, home gym equipment, and apparel ads, another steady stream. Digital programs, structured workout plans people can follow on their own, sell extremely well once you've built trust. And coaching funnels let you convert your most engaged viewers into higher ticket clients. Here's what makes fitness especially powerful for retention and watch time specifically. People don't just watch a workout video once. They come back to the same routine, the same form check tutorial, the same follow along video week after week, sometimes for months, which means your average view duration and session time compound in a way most other niches simply can't match. But fitness builds the body, and the next niche on this list is where creators stop just making content and start building something bigger. Actual businesses, brands, and income systems that outlast the channel itself. Number 2, business and entrepreneurship. There's one desire that cuts across almost every viewer watching this video right now. The desire to make more money and depend on no one else to do it. That drive to build something of your own, escape the 9-to-5, and create real financial freedom isn't a trend. It's permanent, which is exactly why business and entrepreneurship content sits this close to the top of the list. Startup breakdown videos, dissecting how a specific company was built from nothing, combine storytelling with real applicable lessons, which keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Side hustle content is constantly in demand because there's always a new person looking for their first way to earn extra income outside a regular job. Marketing and sales tactic videos appeal to any anyone running a business, at any size, in any industry. Case studies breaking down exactly how a specific business makes its money satisfy a curiosity almost everyone shares. And how does this business actually make money content taps into genuine fascination with the mechanics behind brands people already know. The financial upside here is significant. Ad CPMs in the business space run high because advertisers in this niche have real budgets and are targeting viewers who are actively trying to grow. Digital products and courses can be sold at a premium since business-minded viewers are used to investing in their own growth. Affiliate income from business software and tools adds a steady, recurring stream. And business tool companies are constantly looking to sponsor creators in this space, making it one of the highest sponsor demand niches on the entire platform. There's also a compounding effect unique to this niche. Business channels build authority over time. The longer you're seen as a credible voice, the more valuable your audience becomes, which means the same subscriber is worth more to you a year from now than they are today. But everything in business, the side hustles, the marketing, the case studies, exists to solve one single underlying problem. And that problem sits at the very top of this list, because it's the one thing every other niche on here ultimately leads back to. Number 1, personal finance and wealth. Every person on this planet, regardless of age, country, or background, is trying to solve the exact same problem: money. Not just having more of it, but understanding it, growing it, and eventually being free from worrying about it. That's why personal finance and wealth building content sits at number 1. It's not just evergreen, it's universal. Investing basics content demystifies something most people were never taught in school: walking new investors through the first steps without overwhelming them. Saving strategy videos give people practical, actionable ways to keep more of what they earn. Debt payoff content reaches viewers at one of their most motivated moments, when they've finally decided to take control. Passive income breakdowns tap into the dream almost everyone shares: earning money without trading more hours for it. Wealth-building psychology content explains the mindset shifts that separate people who build wealth from people who stay stuck. And how the rich think differently content satisfies a curiosity that never fades, because people always want to know what separates financial success from financial struggle. The monetization here is simply unmatched. Personal finance carries some of the highest ad CPMs of any niche on YouTube because financial advertisers pay a premium to reach an audience actively trying to manage or grow their money. Affiliate income from banking apps, investing platforms, and financial tools can be significant since these companies pay well for qualified referrals. High-ticket courses and coaching sell exceptionally well here because people are often willing to invest real money into learning how to make more of it. And fintech companies are consistently looking to sponsor trusted voices in this space, since financial trust is hard to earn and creators who have it become extremely valuable to partner with. But the real reason this niche sits at number 1 isn't just the money, it's the permanence. Every single year, a new generation enters the workforce needing the exact same foundational knowledge: how to budget, how to save, how to invest, how to build something that lasts. That demand doesn't fade with time, it renews itself forever. And here's the piece that ties this entire list together: better health means less if financial stress is weighing you down. Stronger relationships are easier to build without money tension pulling them apart. Self-improvement and business only pay off long-term if they lead somewhere financially secure. Every niche on this list eventually intersects with this one, which is exactly why it's the niche that pays you forever. The forever payoff. That's the real difference between chasing trends and building something evergreen. Trend content expires, but the niches on this list compound, quietly working for you long after you've hit publish. 10 niches, one common thread: they solve problems that never go away for an audience that never stops needing answers. That's the forever payoff. Content you create once that keeps earning, keeps helping, and keeps growing in value while you move on to the next idea. If this gave you a clearer picture of where to start or where to double down, hit like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment with which niche you're most excited to build. Your Evergreen channel starts with the very next video you make.